All right, so this is problem 1 on the practice test 9. This is summer 1 of 2019, just for future reference. We're talking about the integral from negative pi over 4 to pi over 4 of secant x tangent x times e to the secant x. So I'm just going to rewrite that interval for a second. And there should be a couple of clues to you that u sub is what you need to do. We have a function inside another function, so that's going to be our u. And then du, the derivative of secant x, is secant x tangent x dx. And we can see that hanging out in there as well. That means we can rewrite this integral as just e to the u du. E to the secant x becomes e to the u, and then secant x tangent x dx, that becomes du. We also need to think about the bounds. And we're just taking the upper and lower bounds and plugging them in to x for u. So we're plugging them in right there. Oops. And when we rewrite this, secant of pi over 4 and secant of negative pi over 4 are both the square root of 2. And now we don't even need to integrate. This is just 0 because the interval we're integrating over now has length 0. So it's super straightforward to see that the integral of the whole thing is 0.